What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing our gaming review on the new Pixel 5a 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. We do have a couple games on here, but we're only going to be trying Fortnite because we're going to be trying to push this phone to the furthest of its capability. So we're going to go into Fortnite right now. Obviously we have the Snapdragon 765G inside this device, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and for a GPU we're going to have the Drano 620. So some decent specifications in here, especially for $450. As I've noted in past videos, but we're going to go into Fortnite and we're going to see how this runs, and we're going to see what graphics look like on this, as well as what we can run this on. We're going to go ahead and click on that top right corner, check the settings, and take a look at some of the graphics. So it looks like our quality presets are actually on Epic, and for a 3D resolution, I tried to put it to 100, but it looks like it's preset at about 75, so we're going to push that all the way to the top. As far as our frames per second, we can only go from 30 to 20 frames per second, as you guys see. So we're going to click that, and quality presets are on Epic, so I'm really happy about that. Let's go ahead and start a match and see how this plays though. Alright everyone, so our game is now loading up, and it actually looks pretty decent. The shadowing and everything and the colors contrast look really good. Wow. So it's running pretty smooth so far, but we're going to drop right now, obviously, and we're going to see how this really plays in a second. But it doesn't seem to be lagging all that much right now, so hyped about that. I guess this new series is like Aliens or something. Kind of weird. But we're going to go ahead and drop right now and see if we can do a little bit of damage. So dropping, as you guys can see, we do have some dropped frame rates, but once we get in the game, it should be running decently. Also, speaker on this is pretty decent as well, pretty loud speaker, and we do have dual speakers, one in the headset and one at the bottom of the phone. So even if you do cover up the phone speaker at the bottom, you'll still be able to hear it from the headset, and I don't really seem to be having any issues as far as covering up the phone speaker though on either side, so kind of happy about that. Also, don't make fun of me, kind of suck at this game. Go ahead and get some weapons though. It's like we have a shotgun right here. Alright, nice. We got an elimination. Also, excuse my lack of skills for playing on the phone. Way better on computer or controller. Oh no. Got eliminated. We're gonna drop again one more time, and we're gonna see if we can do some more damage right there. You can definitely build in this though. That's for sure. Yeah guys, you will definitely be able to run Fortnite, and I'm sure PUBG will run way better than Fortnite, but it kind of sucks that it did heat up a bit. So that's something that you guys need to look out for, especially if you're playing graphic intense games like this. But it was playable. I did get an elimination, as you guys saw. I do suck at this game. Also, for some reason, this device was playing solo better than that little party player that Team Rumble play. So definitely runs better on solo or on squads, I'm sure. So nice to see that solo runs decently and the graphics look good as well. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.